Hello, welcome to Leonor's Sweet Creations. Today I'm filming from home and that's why you see another kitchen. But my kids asked me if we could do some peanut butter cookies and that's what we are going to bake today. For this recipe you will need 100 grams butter, 150 grams peanut butter, 100 grams sugar, 75 grams brown sugar, 1 egg, 1 pinch of salt, half teaspoon baking soda and 170 grams flour. Start by mixing both butters with both sugars. Add the egg and mix it well again. Finally add the flour, the baking soda and the salt and mix it well until it's all well incorporated. With the dessert spoon, take some portions of your dough and with your hands roll some balls and put them on a baking tray covered with baking paper. Now dip a fork in flour and with that fork press on top of each ball or each cookie in perpendicular directions. Leave some space between the cookies because they grow quite a lot in the oven. Now take them to a preheated oven under 180 degrees Celsius for about 8 to 10 minutes, depending on the size of the cookie, until they are golden brown. This recipe is enough for about 20 big cookies.
They are delicious.
Really? I hope you enjoyed it and that you visit my channel next week again. See you then. Bye bye.